This is our drill, and it's about, you can see, 2 meter in length. We have some extensions to it. We can go probably 4 or 5 if we want. And this would happen in about 45 minutes, maybe half an hour even. Of course, look how deep we can get this thing done. So here you have half an hour drilling. Cheers.